I would tell everybody, your first deal should change your life.
All right,
It should put you
so
on.
let's think about that.
Yeah.
You're watching this and you're like, I don't know anything about real estate. I don't have any connections. I'm not licensed. I don't even know if I need to be. I don't know any successful people in my life. I have no money. I have no background. I have no connections.
Yeah.
But I hear Grant Cardone saying, go do a deal that's going to make you the biggest amount of money as humanly possible.
Yeah. Easier to make $1 million with no knowledge in real estate than to make $1 million from a job. You show me somebody that's making $1 million from a job. I don't give a shit how good they are. You got NFL players that don't make $1 million a year. They spent the last freaking 12, 13 years of their life just getting into the NFL. They got some lucky break to get in the NFL, and those guys are paid $500,000 a year. You have a better chance of making $1 million on your first real estate deal than you do getting the NFL, the NBA, winning the lottery. It's harder to get your wife pregnant and have a baby today.
Well, I got a strategy for that. You grab the legs and you shake like that upside down, and it happens every time. Both kids.
Really?
I swear to God, it's true story.
Because it took us, we probably tried for 3 years to have Sabrina.
Really?
Yeah. It was, the first one was hard. The second one was very easy. But the first real estate deal was easy, but it was hard to make money on.
Mm.
So what I tell people is like, man, if it's easy to get, it's probably going to be hard to get rid of. It's like an STD. You know, they're easy to get, bro. They're hard to get rid of. So easy real estate is hard to get rid of. Harder to get rid of.
So I'm sitting, and this is where I was driving towards. It's like, so I'm sitting there. I don't have any resources or connections.
Yeah.
Houses are not scary, right?
Yeah.
Commercial's scary.
No,
So
it's not, dude.
Talk
It's
people
not.
through that.
It's easier.